A man accidentally caught sight of lace underwear and mistakenly thought it was a signal from his female secretary. He quickly left to distract himself. Later, when the secretary bent down to read a book, he inadvertently glanced at her again but promptly turned away. He deliberately brought up stories about his wife to prevent the secretary from noticing and misunderstanding his behavior. When the secretary mentioned that the protagonist in her new novel had injured their shoulder, she unexpectedly pulled back her clothing to reveal her shoulder, saying she had also been injured there before. The man could no longer control himself and unconsciously reached out to touch it. Seeing that the secretary didn't resist, he grew bolder. Lucy felt bewildered and angrily left with her bag. When she returned home, her mother noticed something was wrong. After questioning, Lucy finally revealed what had happened. Her mother took her to a law firm to file a harassment lawsuit against him. The lawyer became excited and calculated that the compensation could amount to $1.8 million. Under her mother's insistence, Lucy signed the lawsuit. On the day of mediation, the man was late to appear. The lawyer said if he didn't agree to settle, they could take the case directly to court. Just then, the man hurriedly arrived. However, he didn't attempt to defend himself and directly signed the check. He glanced at Lucy, returned her book to her, and left the mediation room expressionlessly. Lucy sensed something was wrong with the man's behavior and felt uneasy. Upon inquiry, she learned that the man's wife and daughter had just passed away. It turned out that when his wife saw the court summons and learned about the situation between her husband and Lucy, her depression was triggered. She drowned their daughter who was taking a bath, then returned to their room and took a bottle of sleeping pills. By the time the man returned home, it was too late.